Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take a screenshot in Windows 10. Alrighty, so you're going to just want to open the internet browser, open another tab, and then I'm just going to click a tab here, and then let's say that I want to take a screenshot of this. I want to go over to print screen. A second, I zoom in a little bit. Print screen, click that. And then you want to go to start, and then try to look for paint. But I'm just gonna type it in, easier and faster for me. There we go. Click paint, and then I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, and then you can just hit paste, and then here you'll see the entire screenshot, and then you can either resize it or crop it. I'm just gonna crop something real quick. Let's just say you want to take just the NHL stream part. You can just right click and then cut it out. And then just hit new, and then just don't save this, and then hit paste, right click and hit paste. And then that's it. Thanks for watching. This is How To Tech Tips. Don't forget to subscribe.